For a long time the red disease was everywhere in the land. There never was a plague that killed as many, and there never was a death as terrible.
No, he's dying!
Вот эта игра, как за душу берет.
But the Prince Prospero, get up, please. But the Prince Prospero was brave and happy. And with the prince, when a couple of people in his land were died, he chose 1,000 healthy and happy friends and took them away from the city.
Let's go!
He took them over the hills and far away to his favorite house in the middle of the forest.
It's the house.
One day they have, 1 second, can I take it for a minute? They have masquerade and very good parties. They all dance and have fun. Yeah. But Prince danced far away from the parties. But they was very surprised when clock produced very scary noise. And they saw a person in the red mask. They was very scary from it. Prince came to the room. He was very angry because his people was scary. Yeah, scary. And he told someone to kill this person. Kill it. Okay.
Kill this person!
To kill me. So everyone in this castle was dead. Some was late. That's all. Happy end.
Oh, very good.
One day, man and woman married, and the wife very angry because she was too white, and she was very purpose and spend time together with her. After they married, they bought a cat and they will have their cat. The cat name was Tatiana. But one started drinking and she started cheating his wife. And he became more evil every day. Once, when she come back from work, she met his cat Tatiana, and he started the cat started touch his leg. But suddenly, man became angry. He started kicking. Finally, he cut his cat eyes.
The next time when was the man come back from the bar, he
all forget about this story, but once when a man comes from the bar, he meet his cat again, and man become evil and started kick his cat again and killed him.
After 1 year, so he started drinking again. So he become hit his wife.
And they bought new cats. His name was Daisuke. He was very fat cat. But once man had this cat, and once he started kick him, but wife started protect. And then when man killed them, he started
wife.
fight his
Corpse.
corpse.
After 1 week, the policeman came to his house. Hello. What happened?
Nothing.
Can I enter your house?
Was
Okay. So suddenly, I heard some voice. What? There is something.
what?
Oh. Yeah. What voice?
What?
What boy?
Nothing. I am listening.
Can I?
You can move your head.
Finally, the policeman found cat and his wife.
And arrest the man, maybe.
What is?
Man, cat sit on his wife
Yeah.
and sit on his wife.
Антон, вот эти, пожалуйста. Антон.
And the cat made this strange sound. And after policeman catch Ray, why I can you catch me?
Yes. So after the policeman
Oh my god.